Google, I don't have anything. Meta, you know, Meta holding up. Meta into resistance here. Meta holding up. Look at that. Interesting. Under around that 170.90. It's 170.50 on Meta. See if we get that. Would try the long there. I do like that. It is up into yesterday's resistance, but I think that could go. Let's see if we can get a pullback down. Here's Nvidia coming back. Coin, new highs. Let's go ahead and reset the high day. I'll put Meta over here so we can watch it. Tesla, new highs. Tesla going. Very strong. Meta coming back in. Oh, my stop, I did not. Let's see if we can come back down here and get filled in this Meta. Coin on a tear. Coin going up on nothing. Wow. So 68, high day on coin. I'm gonna put it at 68.25. Here's Tesla, 205, high day. And here's Meta on highs. Meta did not pull back. I set a high day up up there. Still like the long down here. Still willing to take a look at that. Tesla on highs. Shop is one I never put a 40, never put an alert. Low a day, and then it's up above highs here. A Roku, Baba. Baba hanging out down here. Baba broken on the daily. That's interesting. Amazon on lows. What is this spot here? Right there. Some big volume there. Baba on lows. Amazon. Amazon. Gonna try Amazon 97, above 97 against 97.30. And then let's take a look at Baba as well. Baba fresh lows and coming in more. Baba. Wow. Oof. Yeah, I'd be up against here. Against this 180. I do like that though. 180 against 101.10. 180 against 101.10s. So I got quite a few open positions. Donkey Kong, what did you do? Made new highs. Let's go ahead and look at that. So we got Meta here, which is coming in. We've got Baba, which I'm trying to short up there. And we've got Amazon, which I'm trying to short up there. Amazon, fresh lows. Microsoft, also on lows. Yeah, somewhere around there. Baba, yeah, up in here. I still like that. And Amazon, there's Airbnb on Lowe's. Amazon, I don't have my orders here, 9709, so like right there, it's there. And Airbnb on Lowe's, certainly is. Set a low a day there. And Meta coming in, I still want that long. Baba did not come up. Amazon did not come up. Do I have a low a day? I do. Baba, do I have a, okay, good. And Meta did not come back in. Let's look at Microsoft. Microsoft continuing lower with volume. Broken. Broken. Nvidia on highs. Meta did not come in at all. Google on lows. Google on lows. Donkey Kong up here. Amazon, Apple, Nvidia, Microsoft coming in. Google, Coin holding up. Shop, Roblox, 41.40 low a day. Apple on lows. Meta, Meta, I'm over here. Let's see, Baba did not pop up. Roku's on lows. And Amazon is on fresh lows, and I didn't get anything. Amazon into support on the daily. Amazon. Into support on the daily, and I think I'm gonna pull those Amazon shorts. I'm gonna set a 97.09 would have filled, and a 97.35 would have stopped. But I am gonna pull these. I'm not gonna continue with those. Baba, I'm still gonna leave that short on, and I'm gonna leave the Meta long on here as well. And this would be a move to move on Meta up to highs. If we can get a fill down there. I know, not much. I'm going to move out to a 2-minute. DKNG continuing to move higher. Let's see here. I don't know if I want to mess with that. How's Baba looking? Meta. Meta did not get a fill there. I was being conservative on this side. Did not get it. Down in the 71 area. And Meta approaching highs. Baba popping up. And, ooh, got close. Airbnb making new lows. Not a ton of volume there. What is this spot? Right there. Yeah, but the daily. What did Amazon do? Barely popped. There's Microsoft on new lows. Microsoft coming in. What's this spot here? It's 259. Yeah, Microsoft coming in. Microsoft dropping. Microsoft new lows. What is that? 258.16 against like 258.80. See if we can get a pop back up there. Erase drawing, erase drawing. Meta did not come in. Microsoft on lows. About to drop 57 here. Airbnb also coming in. I'll go ahead and set that. And what did Baba do? Did Baba got all the way up there, but did not come fill me. And Baba back on lows. So that was close. That was very close. Microsoft, Airbnb, and Shopped. Microsoft, Airbnb, and Shopify. Microsoft. Wow. Wondering if this 57.80 is worth coming down to. Like right there against this. I think it might be. Not that far. Not that far. Like that. Here comes Meta. And I might be able to get these down here. Still would like them. Airbnb on lows. Everything red. But I am still looking for this long and Meta down here. Let's see, Amazon, Airbnb on lows. Amazon continues to fall. Airbnb continues to fall. Wow. Microsoft, Baba. Baba's about to be on lows. I don't think I'm gonna get this Baba up here. I don't know if I want it. I will leave it on. I will leave it on up there. And Meta came very close. It got down to 2 cents. And I was at 88. Microsoft was coming up, but then did not. I'm gonna leave these on and go on mute for a second, step away. I'll be right back. Okay, coming back. And almost, wow, that got down to what, 96 cents? I did not get it down there. That, that is close. Coin, Shop, Apple, and Lowe's. Microsoft holding up. Coin. Let me set a low on Coin. Shop. Apple. On Lowe's. So where did Baba get to? Baba made new lows. Microsoft hanging out there. And I came with less than 10 cents away here to get this fill on Meta. And did not get it. I'm not sure how much closer you can get. I'm going to switch to a 5-minute footprint. Coin on Lowe's. Baba I would still want up here. I don't think anything's really changed on Baba. If that does pop up there, I'd want to get short. Let's look at Tesla. Donkey Kong. Amazon just cracking now. Market cracking as well. Here's my bid in Meta. There's coin on lows. Amazon also really heavy. Coin continuing lower. Let's see. But yeah, Amazon just sitting here below this level. Consolidating at lows. Market coming in. Got the fill here. That's Amazon on lows. I also got the fill on Meta here at 88 cents. I am long Meta at 88 cents. Very small size. And we are looking for high of day on that. I am risking down to 40 cents. So that's about 40 cents of risk. So if we get a pop up to like 50 something cents, I'll probably take one off there just to cover risk and hold the other to highs. As this is a move to move trade, not a trade to hold. So let's take a look at what else hit lows. Nvidia hit lows. Let's set a new low a day on Nvidia. Coin hit lows again. Let's set another low a day on coin. Amazon hit lows. Amazon coming in. I have, no I don't. 95.65, low a day. And BABA is far away, as is Microsoft, and this Microsoft is coming into lows as well. Low a day. I'm not sure I'm going to get that Microsoft. I'm not sure I'm going to get that Microsoft. Microsoft on lows. Here's Meta climbing up. Again, I'm going to take one off up here above 50 cents, and then I'm going to hold the other for new high a day. So let's see if we can come get filled up here at 50 cents. This Microsoft, I'm wondering if I need to take this off, if I miss this move. I am going to take this off. Where it was I was up at 57.85. Yeah, I'm going to take that off. BABA. Oh, it's still so broken. Yeah, I would still take that short. So now Meta, nothing really to do here. Just wait for it to make a move one way or another. Let's see if it can get up above 50 cents and make a run toward highs. I will put an order out at like 72.20. Near highs. Here is 50 cents coming up in Meta. Was not able to gain above 50 cents. What is BABA doing? BABA's popping now. Wonder if it'll come get me up here, BABA. Interesting. Wonder if market will reclaim this level and start to move back up. How high did that get up to? It got up to 50 cents and I was at 54 cents. Airbnb on lows. Let's go take a look. Airbnb continuing lower. 132 low a day. Baba ripping. Can this meta get up above 50 cents? Here is 50 cents. It did. I went ahead and got that off at 50 cents. I'm going to go ahead and update my 170.42 stop. Adjust the size. 170.42 down to the remaining lot I have, and the next one comes off up here above 72. So looking for this new high a day. There's Donkey Kong on highs. But now I got my risk covered, so pretty much that's it. In the driver's seat on this meta long. Let's see here. Baba popping up. Oh, Donkey Kong I wanted to look at. Donkey Kong moving higher. Here's 21. Let me set a high day above 21. Let's do that, and then Donkey Kong continuing to go higher, or DraftKings, whatever. I like to call it Donkey Kong. Big gap up and push. Market starting to get a little bit pippy. Where's Baba? Did Baba? I am thinking about canceling these. It's not the same trade anymore. Let me set a shoulda, woulda, coulda. 10087 would have filled, and 10122 would have stopped. And I'll cancel these Babas. Cancel these Babas. What did Microsoft do? That still hasn't gotten up there. Let's go everything from the top. Here's Tesla. Donkey Kong, Amazon popping back up. Nvidia holding up. Apple holding up. Baba holding up. Meta coming back in. All the way back down to my entry, actually. Meta, just big failure here. I'm gonna give it a few more minutes before doing anything. Baba, because I already got my risk off. So Baba, we've got a pop up into here. Let's look at shop. It's kind of holding down here, isn't it? Do I have a low a day set? I do. I don't see a ton of volume here on shop though. Microsoft starting to pop. Coin, Roblox, Google. Oh, Roku, Meta. Oops, I want to keep Meta over here. And Airbnb. Airbnb's still heavy. It's got this big level here, this long term. This level goes all the way back several months, I think. That's why I colored it, or made it thick. And this one's from yesterday's low. Just kind of hanging out down there. I don't think there's much for me to do right now. I just need to sit tight. I don't know if I want to play this DraftKings Donkey Kong business. Roku, fresh lows, don't have anything there. Amazon, I was interested in the short up back here. Don't know. I don't have that on anymore. I don't have an interest in that. Amazon, yeah, I don't want to get short that. Apple, Apple has room to come in lower, but I don't know. Nvidia bounced off of that big support right there. Started moving up. Market starting to look like it wants to reclaim the pre-market lows here, which would help my Meta long. Here's Nvidia getting a bid. Here's Meta getting a bid up into the 60s. Big print there, 18,000 shares. Nvidia continuing to move up. Roblox. There's Meta into the 70s. If it can get up into the 80s, 90s, we have a good chance to get that above 72 and make a run for highs and get a fill up here to close out this move to move trade. Here's the 80s briefly. There's the 80s. Can this Meta get up to the 90s? There's the 90s. Can we get up over the hole? Can we get up here? Got that resistance from yesterday's low there. Okay, let's see here. Where was I? Roblox. Let's look at coin. Coin. Not much. Let's look at Microsoft. Microsoft. Okay, so I would have gotten a short there filled had I left that Microsoft on. Let's take a look at Meta here. Back into the 80s. You know, this market starting to reclaim here. Everyone's kind of leaning short. Could squeeze. And that's the premise of this move to move thesis that I put on anyways on it. So, or at least one of the factors I should say. I'm glad I pulled that Microsoft short. I don't like that as a short anymore. Donkey Kong is on new highs. Amazon coming back in. What did Microsoft do? Oh, coin, Roblox, Google. Shop. Roku. Baba. There's Meta and Airbnb still on lows. Huh. But not really violating that long-term level, which goes back a couple of weeks, months actually, months back to May of last year. Actually, even earlier, March. I think we can go to a 5-minute. This thing's making new highs. And what is our Meta doing? It is just hanging out. Don't really see a reason to take it off yet. So, need to just sit tight. Let this thing, it got close. I mean, it got up to like 93 cents. I don't know if the risk reward is worth it to give it all the way back at that point, but DKNG continuing higher. What is Tesla doing? Tesla is above 200. That's interesting. A lot of volume in Tesla today. Roblox hits lows, cracking that level. Roblox on lows. go ahead and set a new low a day there. Meta's struggling. Struggling. Second time it got up there, it only got up to 85 cents. I am thinking about tightening up my stop here on Meta. I don't really like how it is. Did not go hit highs there. Roblox, new lows. Meta, every time it comes up to that 50-cent area, it just gets clobbered. Here's the 70s. Can we get a run here and get up above? No, it just gets clobbered every time. There's shop on lows. What are you gonna do, Meta? You gonna run? Let's take a look at shop. Shop, fresh lows. Let's go ahead and set a new low day there. Here is Meta coming into the 80s. 90s. Here's the hole. Can we get up? It did not really want to get up above the hole there, did it? I'm up at 15 cents, I think, but I might take it right here. Let's try one more time to get up. Yeah, it's struggling. Every time. Can we get up above that hole? There's the 90s again. here's the hole. And again. Wow. Yeah, just struggling. Struggling up there in the 90s. All the way back down. It's unfortunate. I mean, this got up to 7 cents. That's not worth giving back that much anymore. That was really close. Let's see here. I don't like that big wick. Yeah, that's not good. That's not what I was looking for at all. This needs to correct itself pretty quickly here. I'm gonna go ahead and move my stop up to, I mean, this thing just came all the way back. Like, I'm gonna move my stop up to break even on this. Actually, even below or above. Like, I don't really think below. Let's see if we can run up against 90 cents again. That is not good right there. That is a bad sign. This looks like it's going to come stop me out down here. But that was, I mean, it's just not worth giving back. I was at 72, and now I just gave back 70 cents on this in order to make another 15. That doesn't add up. I don't like this at all, this action. This is not looking good for this long right now. Gonna take the stop right here. Stopped out of Meta. And that's it. I mean, it's stupid. Giving back 80 cents. That's just stupid. I probably should have been more aggressive taking it off up there, but this is not good. That came so close, but yeah, not great.